Hello, how are you all? Fine? Not fine? More fine? Somebody will say, sir, morest fine. And as you all are my students, I know you properly. So now, as in introduction, we have gone through the social science, social study, we can say in earlier forms, as I told you, social science एक ऐसा विज्ञान, सामाजिक विज्ञान जिसे पढ़ना हमें जरूरी है, जो हमारे हर एक लाइफ के हर एक पहलू में ये काम है. We need to study this science, not only that physics, chemistry, biology, that is also essential needed thing in our life. But as per the scientists, yeah, you can say psychologists told that it is important for each and every student to know about SS. SS means social science. Many things are covered in this science, especially psychology is covered in this science, economics, as we stopped our video with the topic economics. That is the most necessary thing in your life. As you have gone through your family, your father, mother, those who are earning, how they maintain the economic system of your family. Economic system, it is as your 9th standard textbook is different from your 8th standard. It has been parted over in 3 things. First is earlier the first portion is for the history portion, second is the civic, and then geography. So you have to learn 3 of your portions with different lessons are there, lessons are there, new things are there that you can know in this thing. The first lesson from the history, as you all know, India was known as Sone ki Chiriya, and yet we are the best. We Indians are the best. We have the best economy, we have the best thing with us. Even the climate also is our best. So let's begin with the rise of British rule in India. As I told earlier that India was called सोने की चिड़िया. यहाँ से ट्रेडिंग होती थी उस वक्त. ये 14वीं सेंचुरी की बात है, 15th century. It's 1457, 54 या 34 या something, whatever. We will get many dates in history. Some of are most important that you have to remind for you. So Britishers पहले से, उसके पहले जब महाराजा हमारे इंडिया में रूल कर रहे थे डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में, उस वक्त ट्रेडिंग हो रहा था, व्यापार. वी आर व्यापार. ऐसा नहीं है कि चाइना भाई अभी बहुत डेवलप हो रहा है तो चाइना व्यापार के क्षेत्र में आगे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ड्यू टू द पॉपुलेशन दे आर यूजिंग मच मोर देन द लेबर इज लेस, सो दे आर मेकिंग many things in big large quantity. It's not so. We are the best, and especially we Gujarati are the best व्यापारी. We are the traders. तो ट्रेडिंग हो रहा था उसमें. और इंडिया की स्पाइसेस मीन्स जो आप लोग पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर, पाव भाजी, समोसा वगैरह खाते हो, उसमें जो मसाले ऐड किए जाते हैं, that are the spices. Touch loving money we can say. If I will go in English then you know. So these spices were too much. उससे भी ज़्यादा जो एक चीज़ की डिमांड थी वो थे हमारे क्लोथ्स. उस वक्त ढाका का मलमल ऐसा आता था कि एक मैच बॉक्स के अंदर पूरे का पूरा टाका जिसको बोलते हैं, मीन्स मैनी सम ऑफ मीटर्स, माइट बी 30, 50, 40 मीटर्स, वो पूरे का पूरा एक मैच बॉक्स में आता था. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट माइट बी. मलमल ऑफ ढाका ऐसा बोल रहे थे. यू कैन पास दैट क्लोथ इन पर्टिकुलर योर फिंगर रिंग. आपके फिंगर की रिंग है, उसमें से आप पास भी कर सकते. एज रिसेंटली यू कैन सी द पटोला ऑफ पाटन. अगर पाटन का पटोला लेना हो, अगर आप हैंडकरचीफ का लेना हो साइज का, देन इट कोर्स अबाउट 50,000 to 1 lakh. तो उस वक्त मलमल ऑफ वी वर मास्टरेट इन कॉटन क्लॉथ्स. एज about at that time also, nowadays also, more than 70% of people are belong to agriculture business. तो हम farmers, पहले से ही हम farmers. We are growing lots and lots of तो spices, मसाले, clothes, antiques, diamond, golden, many ornaments, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी थी जो इंडिया की मशहूर थी फॉरेन कंट्रीज। और उस वक्त फॉरेन कंट्रीज में क्या हो रहा था कि ये चीज़ें थी वो बनानी। आज भी हमारे इंडियंस इफ दे गो टू अमेरिका, वाई टू अर्न मोर। अमेरिकन खुद लोग काम नहीं करते ज़्यादा। We Indians and many Asians and other from other countries people used to go there and work there and earn lots and lots. तो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में हमारे जो गुड्स थे उसकी डिमांड बहुत थी, तो उसके लिए ट्रेडिंग चल रहा था। ये ट्रेडिंग कहाँ चल रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है? बाय लैंड रूट, बाय सी रूट। तो सी रूट से हमारा ये ट्रेडिंग ज़्यादा, and that sea route was nearby Turkey. A particular place is there nearby Turkey, and it has given a particular name also. Let me write it for you. New word for you. It was Istanbul area near Turkey, and it was called Constantinople. Again, as I told earlier, if such a type of sentence, a word comes, you break it. Constantinople was the place where there was a route to enter India, to trade from India. And Istanbul was the typical place name in Turkey. But what happened? Trading was going on thoroughly. Many traders used to come over India. They used to take many things from India. They used to bring many things to India. But they created problem. The Muslim of Turkey in 1434. Write down if this thing is good, and this one is important for. In 1453 AD, the Muslims stopped the trade due to some problems. Now it created a very vast, big problem for the traders, for the European people to get spices, clothes, ornaments, you can say diamonds, antiques, many things. There they were fond of India. And one more thing was there. The Indian material या Indian things were cheap. सस्ते थे बहुत। तो यहाँ से सस्ता माल लेके वो लोग वहाँ पे यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में महंगे दामों में बेचते थे और उनको बहुत मुनाफा होता था। बट इट क्रिएटेड ए प्रॉब्लम। Which problem? The problem of trading. Which route to go? In 1453 AD, they faced a problem. The European faced a problem to trade with India. How to get this thing from India? There was no another route. So what happened? What to do? A great problem created. Now the European countries, as they were fond of, they need Indian things. So they thought that let us discover a new sea route to India. For that, many countries like Spain, Italy, these Britishers were there, Portuguese were there. They tried to get a way to India, and a particular person, I will not say the name, but he discovered a sea route to India. That complete process, some of them, a person who discovered, he was going to go discover India, but he discovered America. He went in another way. Another person before that came to the Cape of Good Hope. He thought, yes, this is India, but that was not India. A person, I will not repeat his name, read it, find it, you will get the name, and the whole process, the rise of British rule in India. We will continue in our next lecture. Till that, thank you.